Good morning, class second, and today is Thursday, as you all know. So, today we will discuss the last part of the Pines Tree Wish, I think is the name of the chapter, and lesson third, I guess. So, before starting, again, I will request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, share the video with your St. Paul's friend, and like it. If you like the video, then please like it. If not, then no need. Alright, so let's move further. Sorry. Yes, here we go. Lesson third, isn't it? So as you all can see, and I think your screen is clear, so answer these English literature. It is class second, lesson third. Alright, so answer the following questions. What it is written, answer the following questions, right? So your first question is, as you can see on the screen. Alright, you can see it, I think, very clear. What did the little pine tree wish? Means, what did the little pine tree mean when it said I want to be like other trees? Means, what it mean? What did the little pine tree mean when it said I want to be like other trees? Means, what was its meaning by saying that it want to be like other trees? So what will be your answer? The pine tree too wanted to have green leaves like other trees. Alright, listen this answer very carefully. Again, I am repeating it. Alright, the pine tree too wanted to have green leaves like other trees. Okay, the pine tree too wanted to have green leaves. The pine tree too wanted to have green leaves like other trees. Okay, this was the wish of whose wish it was? It was the wish of pine tree. Okay, if you want, you can take the screenshot. I think, sorry for this. Yes, or you can take the screenshot later. Let's move further. What happened when the pine tree's wish to have green leaves came true? What happened when the pine tree's wish to have green leaves came true? Means, what happened when a pine tree wished to have green leaves? After that, what had happened? Your question is asking this. So a goat ate all green leaves that were on the pine tree. So what happened? A hungry goat came and it ate all the leaves of the pine tree. Alright, so again we will do this. So your question is, what did the little pine tree mean when it said I want to be like other trees? What, 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 did, 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 the, 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 little, 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 pine, 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 tree, 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 mean, 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 when, 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 it said, it said, 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 I want to be like other trees. I want, 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 to be like, 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 other, 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 trees, TREES, trees. The pine tree too wanted to have green leaves like other trees. The, 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 little, 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 pine, PINE, tree, TREE, tree. The pine tree too wanted to have green leaves like other trees. What, 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 did, 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 the, 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 little, 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 pine, PINE, tree, TREE, tree. The pine tree too wanted to have green leaves like other trees. The, THE, Pine, P-I-N-E, pine, tree, T-R-E-E, tree, two, wanted, W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted, two, have, H-A-V-E, have, green, G-R-E-E-N, green, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, like, L-I-K-E, like, other, O-T-H-E-R, other, trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. So what happened, your question is asking, your question is saying, it's asking, what it is asking, it's asking, what did the little pine tree mean, means what was the little pine tree mean when it said that it wanted to be like other trees. What it's mean by this line, means what was the meaning, you can say what was the meaning of this sentence in the through pine tree. So what it was, the pine tree too wanted to have green leaves like other trees. Alright, so the pine tree too wanted to have green leaves like other trees, means pine tree wish to have green leaves like other trees, means it was its wish, means the wish of the pine tree was to have green leaves like other trees. Okay, first it wished to have gold leaves, isn't it? Its wish was to have gold leaves. Then what happened? Then a man came and he stolen all the gold leaves. Then he cried and he then it wished for what? Then it wished for, yes, it wished for glass leaves. Then what happened? Wind blew. The wind was blowing, and what happened? The all the leaves, that glass leaves were there, na? Then it all fallen down. Yes, because of the wind, because the wind was blowing. Okay, then what happened? Then its wish was what? The pine tree's wish was to be like other trees, means now this pine tree, it wished to have green leaves. Okay, then he wanted to be like other trees, means its wish was to have green leaves. Alright, are you able to understand? Okay, its wish was to have green leaves. Okay, now let me explain you the second question, then we will move further, and if you want you can take the screenshot too. What happened, wait, let me, I hope it's clear now. What happened when the pine tree's wish to have green leaves came true? Now what happened when the pine tree wish to have trees wish to have green leaves came true? Okay, what happened when it wished to have green leaves? When it woke up and it found that it is having green leaves, then it was very happy. Then what happened? A hungry goat came. Alright, a hungry goat came, and what it did? Yes, it ate all green leaves that were on the pine tree. Now what happened? It ate all the green leaves that were on the pine tree. Okay, so okay, listen to this question one more time, not once but one more time. What happened when the pine tree's wish to have green leaves came true? When the wish of the pine tree it came true, okay, what happened when its wish it came true, that the pine tree wanted to have green leaves, then what happened? Yes, a goat ate all green leaves that were on the pine tree. Then what happened? A hungry goat, it came. I've explained you in the in your lesson, in the chapter I've explained you. Then when it wished to have green leaves, then it was having green leaves, but what happened? A hungry goat came and it ate all the green leaves of what? Of the pine tree, right? Okay, so let's do a quick revision of this chapter. Means first, pine tree was very sorry, very sad. Why? Because it was having needles as leaves. Okay, then it wished to have gold leaves. Then it was having gold leaves, and a kind angel listened to its wish, and it was having golden leaves. Then after golden leaves, what happened? A man was passing by there, and it saw the leaves of gold. Then it stolen all the leaves of the pine tree, and the pine tree was very sad, and it requested, and it wished, not requested, it wished to have glass leaves. Then it was having glass leaves, and it was looking very pretty. Then what happened? Yes, wind blew very fast. Then all its glass leaves were broken, and again your pine tree was very upset because it was having no leaves left in its tree. So then it wished to be like other trees. Then what happened? Then it was having green leaves, isn't it? It was having green leaves, but what happened then? A goat came and ate all the green leaves. A hungry goat came and it ate all the green leaves of the pine tree. Then after that, what had happened? Yes, then again it wished to be as it was. Okay, it said that I want my needles back, and I was very happy with my needles. This was the story. I hope I have explained you many times, means 1-2 times. Okay, let's move in this think and answer. As you can see, okay, first of all, you take the screenshot of this. All right. Take the screenshot of this. Yes, please take it. I'm giving you some time. All right, I hope you all have taken the screenshot. Yes, your next is think and say. What it is? Think and. So let's read what your question is saying. It's saying, work in pairs. Choose the correct message that the story give reasons for your choice. Okay, so it's saying that you have to choose the correct answer in these 3 questions. In these 3 options, you have to choose the correct answer. Your question is simply asking this. Okay, so give reasons for your choice. Be happy with what you have. All trees should have green leaves. One should never steal. Means these 3 options are saying. So it's asking what? That you have to give reasons, choose the correct answer from this, and then you have to give the reason for your answer. All right, and your question is asking, what it asking, that what is the correct answer in these 3. So your first one is be happy with what you have. All right, second number is, means this is saying that you should be happy whatever you are having, whatever God has given you, you should always be happy in that. You should never complain. Okay, second answer is saying that all trees should have green leaves. Okay, that all the trees, they must be having green leaves only and nothing else. 3rd one should never steal, or you are getting the that one should never steal. Steal means, yes, if someone takes somebody's thing, that is called steal. Alright. So, yes. What will be its answer? Yes, its answer will be happy with what you have. We should always be happy. Whatever we are having, whatever God has given us, we should be happy with that. Okay, this much is something, means this is the correct answer in short. Alright, so let's move further. Yes, here is your answer, as you all can see. The best message we get from the story is be happy with what you have, because what we get from God is for our in this answer. Do one thing. What you can do is that by mistake I have done it wrong, so because what we get from God is best for us. Cut this. Okay, is best for us. Okay, this should be not here. Alright, if you want you can take the screenshot. Alright, yes, if you want you can take the screenshot. I will repeat the question again. You have to write this in your copy. Alright, so work in pairs. Choose the best message that the story gives. Means you have to tell the best message which we are getting from the story. We have to choose the best message. Okay, from these messages we have to choose the best one. Alright, yes, so best message from the story we get is be happy with what you have. Okay, we should be happy. We should be happy with what we are having. Alright, are you getting? Yes, so your answer should be what? Yes, the best message we get from the story is be happy with what you have, because what we get from God is best for us. Okay, is best for us. Again you can take the screenshot. I'm giving you some time. Please take the screenshot. Like I'm giving you 30 seconds, and I want this answer in your notebook. If you can do write better than this, then it's okay. And even I don't want you all to be a rote learner. Alright, so the best message we get, answer it is, the best message we get from the story is be happy with what you have, because what we get from God is best for us. Means whatever we are having or whatever God has given us is best for us. Alright, take the screenshot. Okay, I hope you all have taken. Yes, and let's revise one more time all the answers. Okay, yes, here we go. Sorry, yes, answer the questions. Alright, answer the questions. What did the little pine tree mean when it said, I want to be like other trees? What was its wish? What was the wish of the little pine tree when it said that I want to be like other trees? So the pine tree wanted to have green leaves like other trees. Okay, the pine tree too wanted to have green leaves like other trees. The Yes, what happened when the pine tree's wish to have green leaves came true? Okay, now answer. A goat ate all the green leaves that were on the pine tree. A goat ate all the green leaves that were on the pine tree. Yes. Yes, and your next is work in pairs. This is think and say. So work in pairs. Choose the correct message that the story give. Give reasons for your choice. Now we have to select the most correct answer. So be happy what you have is your correct answer. So the best message we get from the story is be happy with what you have, because what we get from God is best for us. Okay, so I think it's completed now, and I hope you all have taken the screenshot too. Yes, so last is subscribe the channel. What? Yes, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends, like the video if you like to, or if you wished to like it, else no need, and study well, stay at home, stay safe, and study well. Take care of yourself.